Well guys, what can I say? Bloody hell, I've just been to hospital to see my dad and he's died. That's a bugger. I don't know what to say really. If you've got parents that are still alive, and my God, I know they can be a pain in the arse, but just let them know you love them every now and again. Because they're not here forever, and you'll be surprised how fast they can be gone. I mean, my dad was laying concrete about bloody 2.5-3 weeks ago. We knew he'd got bloody cancer. But he was still at it. And bang, 2 weeks later he's gone. It's quite hard really. I mean, my poor old brother was sat at his bedside. I was just going to see him. I can't see a bloody thing with that shut. I was just going to see him, and he died about 5 minutes apparently before I got there. And my poor old brother had to sit there and watch him die right in front of him. Probably not the best thing. I mean, I wish I was there. I could have handled it. I've heard all sorts of things about people dying and how to handle it and this, that and the other, and it's weird. I know it's going to hit me later probably, but I've got to be trying to be strong for my mum and all that. But he looked in peace, thank God. Oh my God, they've changed this again since I come up here. I must be digging this side of the road up. Well, what do I think about death in general, not dying? I used to think everybody goes on about people's souls. And I mean, what is a soul? That's very hard to quantify, I suppose. It's not something science can say, well, look, A plus B equals C, and that's what a soul is. Is soul I suppose it's a collection of memories. A person's soul's a collection of what they've done over the years. You know, if that's a collection of memories, I mean, all the people that he shares those memories with, does that mean the soul still lives on? So as long as people remember those memories with him, his soul still lives on. I watched an animated film. I don't like saying cartoon. Quite recently, I think it was from Mexico, where it was based on. And every year, they get the photos out and candles and have a big party and talk about the relations and what they used to do. And in, well, it wasn't heaven where the people that died had gone to. But if nobody keeps talking about and reliving the memories, and nobody brings a photo to this party or whatever it is, and then they disappear from this place where they go to. And I thought that was quite apt, really. because people live on in people's memories. I mean, my dad's not here physically anymore, but as long as someone can relate to someone else, like me telling someone else what my dad did once, then he's here in spirit, really. Spirit's the wrong word as well, that's hard to say, but it still lives on as long as people remember him. And that's really a horrible thought as well, because what happens when people stop remembering? I mean, I think that, the Vikings used to put a lot of stress on telling tales about past people all the time. Mouth to, passing it on through the generations. Your dad used to do this, and I think that's, the more I think about that, is the reason they're doing that, is to keep the memory alive. So is a person's soul a memory? And if it is, keep it alive. I mean, maybe a few people that look at this, but they won't know me dad. He was such a nice guy. And of course, everybody says that. Well, most people will say that about the parents, but it really was. He'd do out for anybody, etc., etc. And I think there'll be a lot of people remembering for a fair while. I hope they do. Anyway, he's in peace now and he's not in pain. God, it was horrible to see that. Yeah, I had to put my visor down. It's getting bloody. Oh, now I'm steaming up, man. I'm not used to this rain stuff. That's all I can say on the matter, really. As long as a person's remembered, I think the soul still lives on. Not them. I mean, when someone physically passes away, all the electrical connections that were in the brain that made them that person, the way the brain was wired up made them unique. There's so many trillions of connections. Well, them electrical connections die. It's like, if you pull the plug on a hard disk on a computer, without any memory backup or something, that memory disk gets wiped. That's a bad comparison, because you can retrieve that, but once them electrical connections are dead, it's very hard to pull them back from that. They've gone, really, haven't they? We all come from stardust. Our star exploded and made carbon and all the other things that were made up of, oxygen and water and God knows what else. And now he's gone back to the same stuff to make someone else, probably. And that's the chain of life. Oh my God, how depressing is this? I'm sorry, guys. You've just wanted to have a chat about it there. Very weird. It's it sounds wrong, but I'm quite happy that it happened so quick. God bless him. That's probably my dad again. Didn't want anybody bloody suffering. No, you don't have to come to hospital, son, don't worry. I'll sort it out. That's what my dad had done. He's that bloody considerate. I didn't want anybody bloody coming to hospital for no reason, just to see me. Yeah, it's alright, son. And passed away peacefully. I knew he wouldn't go with my mother beside him because he wouldn't want that. Someone he's lived with for 58, 59 years. Excuse me, a bit of a croaky voice. I knew he wouldn't pass away when my mother was there. It'd about crucified the gods. Oh my God. Just my poor brother had to witness it. Anyway, guys, I don't know if you can see bugger all. I'm recording this really for my own benefit more than else, just for a chat. I got a head curry earlier, it's repeating on me. And it's, you probably can't see bugger all. You know what, I might put this up anyway. Even if it's pitch black, you can listen to me waffling about dying. It's a strange thing. I mean, I think a lot of people cling on to a soul and heaven and whatever you believe in, because they don't want to think that their existence ends when your heart stops beating. They're hoping that it will carry on in some form or another. And good luck to people like that. I hope it makes them feel comfortable. I really do. And I'm not knocking it at all. Believe in whatever you want to believe in. It's but no, I don't think so. I think you're here for so long, and then once you're gone, your atoms go to make the next person. And it's not reincarnation like, is it Buddhism that believes in reincarnation? Because they believe part of your soul goes into the next one. And what is it? How good you are depends on what you come back as. You might come back as a rat or an insect or something. That's not a bad belief either. I like the idea of that, but I won't like to be stuck inside a rat's body or a cockroach or something like that, just running about. But you know, you go back to dust, don't you? Stardust, as they say. And you never know, some of them particles of dust might make the next person. And such is the circle of life. The circle of life. Anyway, let me know, guys. Am I wrong? Is there a heaven and hell? Is there whatever it is, whatever you believe in? That car behind me lights is reflecting off my visor. I can't see jack all. That's bizarre, riding at night. I've got his lights in my bloody ring mirror, I can't see shit. That's better. Oh my God, it's a bit blowy, I'm sorry guys. Can't see shit with my visor down. Wow, definitely a different experience driving at night in the rain. That's another new experience to clock up, bloody hell. Not that keen on this at all. Not that keen on this at all. Don't want to be doing that too often. Do you know, my dad is all the way to bloody Aberdeen on an MZ125. Middle of bloody winter, at night, from Scarborough to Aberdeen. Work that out on Google, it's probably 200 and something mile. On a 125. In the middle of winter. Oh my God. I don't know how the hell he did it. It must have been bloody freezing. Bloody roll on. Oh well. Good luck to him. Just to save a few quid. So he could spend it on his kids. Because that's what he's done in later life. He looked after me and my brother. Well, looked after me more than my brother. God bless him, he's dug me out of shit so many times. I don't know where I'd be without my pops. No. Well, listen, one thing about that chin guard though, you're gonna have to make your bloody things steam up. So I'm going to have it open. If you can hear the wind, I do apologise, guys. I know you won't be able to see jack all. Now I've got to get past my van because it was a bit of a bugger to get past my van earlier. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think about what happens when you die and things, if you want. And I'll catch you next time on Nattering with Bats on Bikes. See you later. Bye.